Salinization is an increasing global threat for inland wetland and the wetland ecosystem. The cause of salinization is various, including the rise of sea level, alternation of flash water flows, irrigation, and land loss. Land loss is significant along the Mississippi River. It has a close relationship with human activities. The land built by Mississippi has a significant drop after Industrial Revolution. For the past century, the Mississippi Delta Plain has been losing land at the average rate of approximately 16 to more than 100 kilometers square per year. Marshes turn into open water. Cypress trees disappear due to the damage of ecosystem. Land loss become one of the North American. The Mississippi River Gulf Outlet Canal is an ill-conceived navigation tunnel located near New Orleans that was constructed near the early 1960s. It keeps alternating wetland hydrology and allows saltwater intrusion. The saltwater intrusion damaged wetland ecosystems, and the area nearby lost more wetlands, which are considered a natural barrier against the storm and hurricane. When Hurricane Katrina came in 2005, since one of the neighborhoods of New Orleans, the Lower Ninth Ward is on the intersection of two water channels, it got the worst damage from the direct flood. The Lower Ninth Ward is a historic community, which has one of the highest percentage of black home ownership in the country. Most of the building and infrastructure were damaged by the flood, and they still have not recovered today. The community has not regained its pre-Katrina population. More than 80% of the population moved out after Katrina. The flood severely damaged the cypress trees in Bayou Benvenue wetland triangle next to the community. It used to be a cypress forest with all kinds of wild animals. Now, it has become a cypress desert due to the saltwater intrusion and subsidence. These projects will discuss the current environmental situation of this wetland, the possible improvements, and the redesigned solution that could use the sites as economic and aesthetic opportunities which can benefit the local communities. The Bayou Benvenue Wetland Triangle is a 427-acre triangular-shaped body of open water located on the northern boundary of New Orleans' Lower Ninth Ward. Surrounding the site are a material company, a landfill, and a water operation company. Residents and visitors can access the site through the Bayou Benvenue Wetland Platform. Additionally, there is an ecological park called Sankofa Wetland Park and Nature Trail that offers natural access for visitors. In addition to the Lower Ninth Ward community, the wetlands is surrounded by Holycross, Saltcloud, Bywater, and Florida communities, representing different cultures in New Orleans. Local communities can reach the wetland within a 5 to 10 minute walk, while nearby visitors can access the site within a 5 to 10 minute drive. However, the platform is the only structure accessible to visitors for viewing the wetlands. Other pathways are obstructed by trees and walls, with a railway crossing the entrance of the platform. The purpose of this program is rebuild the wetland as a line of storm defense, reconnect the wetland with surrounding neighborhood, reuse the wetland as a culture, economic, and tourist opportunities, educate and celebrate the wetland culture in New Orleans, which caused the revival of Bayou Benvenue Wetland Triangle. This goal is going to be achieved by raising the connection between the wetlands and nearby communities, utilize the nearby natural resource and replant cypress trees in the wetland, and potentially redesign the Sankofa Wetland Park and Nature Trail next to the wetland. One of my stakeholders is the National Wildlife Organization. responsible for designing and building the viewing platform for the wetlands. They identified the primary challenges as the presence of invasive species and the limited current access to the wetland. Additionally, the wetland presents an educational opportunity to teach about the history of the Mississippi River Gulf Outlet Canal, Bayou Bienvenue, as well as diverse animal and plant species thriving within the wetland. The local community has a strong voice to restore the wetland and bring the cypress forest back. The design deliverable gonna include a site master plan, a site programming plan for Bayou Bienvenue Wetland Triangle, and addressing the connection programming with nearby areas, a planting platelet, a graphic presentations with diagrams, section, and perspective, and the vision plan that shows how the design gonna change and evolve in the future. This project will booster natural defenses against storms and flooding, offering crucial protection to communities against the impact of hurricanes and sea level rise. Additionally, it can provide habitats for diverse wildlife, supporting fisheries and local ecosystems that sustain livelihoods. Moreover, it will create spaces for recreation and education, enhancing the quality of life for residents while promoting ecotourism opportunities.